Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Today we're looking at the Ninja Belgian Waffle Maker Pro, a compact vertical waffle maker designed for thick, delicious Belgian-style waffles. Its unique vertical design saves valuable countertop space while giving you a simple and convenient way to make Belgian waffles at home. With 5 shade settings, you can choose your preferred level of browning, from light and soft to dark and crispy. The included precision pour cup makes adding the right amount of batter easier and helps create consistent waffles. And the result? Thick, golden Belgian waffles with a delicious combination of a crisp outside and fluffy inside. The NeverStick cooking surface helps with easy waffle release, while the simple control dial makes operation straightforward. If you love Belgian waffles and want a space-saving design with adjustable browning, the Ninja Belgian Waffle Maker Pro is definitely worth considering. Check the latest price using the link in the description, and subscribe to Smart Kitchen Products Hub for more smart kitchen product reviews. Thanks for watching.